Product development doesn't just happen within the walls of an office. You need a design platform as flexible as you are. Modern tools tailored to where, when, and how you want to work. 3D Creator gives you powerful parametric modeling on the cloud, all in a browser, on any connected device. The 3D Creator role is built around the XDesign modeling app. From the welcome page, the guided tours and sample content make it easy to start using right away. There's never any software or updates to install, and XDesign is optimized for touch, so you can design on the go. Sketching is the foundation of most 3D designs. All the commands you'd expect to find are right at your fingertips. But there are also many delightful innovations. New approaches to traditional workflows that will predict your design intent and save you time. In XDesign, familiar tools are completely interchangeable, unlike traditional modeling techniques which typically require separate workflows and specialized command sets. Its simple interface helps you break down design barriers without breaking design intent. Even complex modeling tasks are elegant and intuitive. Intelligent snap-to-fit mating tools speed up repetitive assembly tasks. Artificial intelligence helps predict the placement of similar components. Designing in the context of an assembly is easier than ever. The single modeling environment means you won't be locked into separate part and assembly workflows. Refine your designs with real-time validation tools like dynamic motion, clearance detection, and draft analysis. Revision and lifecycle management is built in, as well as collaboration and task management. Exchanging data with external stakeholders in most popular 3D formats is as easy as sharing a secure link. 3D printing and CNC output is just a click away. And of course, data moves effortlessly to and from SolidWorks desktop. How do you want to work? If you need a modern, flexible approach to product development, it's time to consider 3D Creator. So your data and your design tools follow you, outside the walls of an office. And that's not all. SolidWorks has a full suite of modular cloud design apps for freeform design, sheet metal, weldments, and more, so you only pay for what you need. To learn more, contact your local value-added reseller